Hello everyone, welcome to Luxury Properties, our YouTube channel. Today we bring to you a very different kind of an building complex, an apartment complex, which is on the main Sarjapur road. So if you're looking something within the city and bang on the main road itself, and a luxury apartment, so this could be an option for you. The apartment is an ecological building, the first of its kind in Bangalore, and the makers claim it to be a vertical forest. Since all the balconies will have trees, proper growing trees, so they claim it to be based on an Italian concept of having forest on the balconies. So now let's show you the model apartment, which is a four bedroom apartment. The apartment that I'm going to show you today is a 4-bedroom apartment. It's a model villa in an under construction property. Every floor here will have about 4 units. All 4 will be corner units and with huge balconies. This is a 4-bedroom which is about 3,323 square feet of super built up area. And now we enter into the model apartment. That's the living area, quite decent in size. The dining and the other rooms are clearly separated in this apartment complex. As you could see, that's the living area which we showed you. And now we head towards the bedroom number 1, which is right there on your screen. Now before we enter into the bedroom, we turn around and show you the living area. That's another view of the living area. That's the main door where we entered in from. Quite spacious in size, with a huge window, French window on the left. Now let's take you into bedroom number 1, and that's how the bedroom number 1 is spread out. Quite decent in size, with a nice window. This bedroom has got vitrified tiles. Now let's walk you to the other end of the bedroom. This bedroom is with an attached toilet, which you could see on your right, on your screens there, and that's where we entered in from. And to the left is the wardrobe space. And that's bedroom number 1 for you. As we head out, we would show you the attached toilet, and then we head to bedroom number 2. That's bedroom number 2. A decent sized bedroom with an attached toilet and a bath. That's the wardrobe area. That's where you can have a TV unit placed. Now let's, before we head out, show you the bathroom and the toilet. As we head out of the bedroom number 2, we are onto the passage. And we head into bedroom number 3. This room has got an attached balcony. It seems a little smaller in size when compared to the other 2 bedrooms. And as is the case with other 2 bedrooms, this room also has got vitrified tiles. That's the attached toilet and the bathroom. A quick view of the bedroom from the toilet end. There's a balcony attached. These are all landscaped balconies wherein you would have proper trees. As you could see that. And now imagine that running all up till 14 floors. So you literally have a vertical forest, mini vertical forest within the city. Now we head out from bedroom number 3. All the flooring here in the common areas, the dining area which you see on your screen right now, and in the living area is all marble flooring, Italian marble. And that is the dining area for you. The dining opens out to a balcony, to a landscape balcony in fact. That's another good view of the balcony. I would rather call it the forest balcony or the landscape balcony would be better, I guess. So what do you think of this balcony? Would you really be interested in having something like this in your homes? Do let us know in the comment section. You could have a proper sit out here. You could have breakfast, just sit and enjoy the views that this place would have to offer. Now we show you the dining area from the balcony. The dining area is seamlessly connected to the kitchen, which is right there. And before the kitchen, onto the right here, as you could see the door on your screens right now, is the master bed. The master bed has got wooden laminate flooring and also opens out to that balcony, to the landscape balcony which we just showed you. That's the master bedroom balcony. That's the view of the master bedroom from the balcony. It's got a fixed window there, so ample of scope for cross ventilation and a lot of light into the room. And this room is also attached with a toilet and a bathroom. Now we head out of the master bedroom. And that's how everything is spread out when you are once out of the master bedroom. To the left is the dining, and to the right is the kitchen. Kitchen is of quite decent size, as you could see. The kitchen also opens out to the balcony. So that's the kitchen hob with a chimney, and here is the utility. So with this we come to an end of another apartment which is bang on the main Sarjapur road, and hope you've liked what you've seen. We try to keep our videos as real as possible without a lot of editing, to show you in actual how the apartments and the villas that we cover are. So if you would be interested in living in a vertical urban mini forest and you would fancy staying within the city limits, so this is an option that you could consider. And to remind you again, it's a G+13 structure. It's got a few amenities on the 13th floor as well, specifically meant for people of this tower. It's indeed a beautiful apartment. So if you would want to buy something like this, do let us know. Call us on the numbers given below. Thank you so much and have a great day.